Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. In this video we will understand the transaction receipt using mobile OTP. For this we have to add one setting in master setup. The setting name is Mobile OTP-based receive transaction. Make it yes and click add. I have already added this setting. When you add this setting, make sure the customer mobile is available and it is verified. Now I will log in using collector or the field agent, and I will click field collection, loan collection list. I can see send OTP and receive. I click here. The OTP is sent to the mobile number. Let me quickly check the OTP. The OTP is 8783. I enter the OTP and click verify. It is verified and I get that receive loan for 331. I go back to merchant login, click collection report, collection by staff, refresh, and I get that for staff this much amount is not verified. I click on loan. I get the trend here, how the collection is done, and I get the details like 331. I have received this much amount. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.